Why is it important for tech professionals to seek and establish mentor-mentee relationships, and how can these relationships benefit their careers?
Seeking and establishing mentor-mentee relationships in tech is vital for career growth. Mentors provide guidance, knowledge, and insights from their own experiences, which can help mentees navigate the complexities of the tech industry. They can offer advice on career decisions, technical challenges, and personal development. For mentors, this relationship can be personally fulfilling and an opportunity to give back to the industry. Overall, mentor-mentee relationships in tech foster professional development, skill building, and open doors to new opportunities.
What strategies can tech professionals use to identify and approach potential mentors in their field, especially if they are relatively new to the industry?
Identifying and approaching potential mentors is a thoughtful process, especially for newcomers in the tech industry. Start by researching individuals in your field who have expertise or career paths that align with your goals. Attend industry events, meetups, or conferences where you can meet potential mentors in person. Use professional networking platforms like LinkedIn to connect and express your interest. When reaching out, be specific about what you admire about their work and how you believe their guidance can benefit your career. Remember, many tech professionals are willing to mentor and share their knowledge with motivated individuals.
What are some effective ways for tech professionals to foster a successful mentor-mentee relationship, ensuring that it's mutually beneficial?
Successful mentor-mentee relationships are built on trust, communication, and mutual benefit. First, establish clear expectations for the mentorship, such as goals and the frequency of interactions. Respect your mentor's time and be prepared for meetings with specific questions or topics to discuss. Act on their advice and show appreciation for their guidance. As a mentee, be open to feedback and constructive criticism. Mentors, in turn, should actively listen to their mentees' concerns and offer constructive support. A good mentor-mentee relationship is a partnership where both parties learn and grow together.
How can tech professionals overcome challenges that may arise during the mentor-mentee relationship, such as communication issues or differences in expectations?
Challenges in mentor-mentee relationships are normal and can be overcome with effective communication. If there are communication issues, address them openly and honestly. Discuss how you prefer to communicate and find common ground. If there are differences in expectations, have a conversation to align on goals in the mentorship process. Both mentors and mentees should regularly check in with each other to ensure the relationship remains beneficial and satisfying. A willingness to adapt, compromise, and maintain open lines of communication is key to resolving challenges in mentor-mentee relationships.
In what ways can tech professionals express gratitude to their mentors and give back to the tech community, especially after the mentorship has concluded?
Expressing gratitude to mentors is important and can be done in several ways. A heartfelt thank you note or email is always appreciated. Share your successes and accomplishments with them, highlighting how their guidance contributed to your growth. Consider becoming a mentor yourself to give back to the tech community. Share your knowledge and experiences with others, either through formal mentorship or by contributing to online tech forums, communities, or open source projects. By giving back, you continue the cycle of support and learning that makes the tech community thrive.
Hello viewers. If you enjoyed this video, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button. Your likes encourage me to create more content that you'll love. I truly value your thoughts and feedback, so please take a moment to share your valuable comments in the comments section below. Your comments help me improve and shape the future videos on this channel. To stay updated with more exciting videos and to support my channel, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, so they can join our wonderful community too. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you for spending your valuable time watching this video. Your support means the world to me. Thank you, and I look forward to bringing you more fantastic content in the future.